To the story now of a mother who lost her baby during delivery as well as her ability to ever get pregnant again. She is calling for the doctors at the St. Anne's Bay Hospital to take account for what she believes was their gross negligence. The woman says her ordeal happened between June 20 when she was admitted and July 1 when she was released. Details from Kirk Wright.
It's close to 2 months now, and Shante Summers can only imagine what it would have been like becoming the mother to a second child. Immediately after a cesarean section at the St. Anne's Bay Regional Hospital in June 24, the doctor who performed the surgery delivered some disturbing news to Miss Summers.
And I saw them trying to resuscitate her because the baby's a girl. And there and there, she come to me to tell me that the baby has passed and she has the baby wrap up. So I turned to her and said, open up the blanket and let me see the baby.
Miss Summers says she was admitted to hospital because she was having complications with her pregnancy. She says the medical care she received while in hospital was tardy and believes it may have led to the death of her child during delivery. But it turned out that during the surgery, Miss Summers lost more than just her child. She says the doctors also deprived her of ever having children again. Miss Summers said the doctor who did the surgery delivered the additional distressing news to her the day after the operation.
She approached me and said to me that what happened last night, they have to remove my uterus, but they leave the cervix and the ovaries intact.
Medical records obtained by our news center showed that during Miss Summers' admission, doctors administered a drug called Cytotec into her vagina to induce labor. But Miss Summers says it only made her weak and reduced her ability to push when needed. She said the first dose was given on the 22nd of June and continued for 2 more days. She says the nurses who attended to her during that time were unprofessional and there was a lapse in judgment in their medical intervention.
Being there and there, they tell me to went on the bed and they started doing what's necessary, telling me to push. At one point, when the baby not coming, the nurse that was attending to me, she left, go behind the screen and was there talking to the other nurse and they were on their phone. Reason why I said that I know that they were on their phone, one of them had a high phone, so you know that when they get the message out, it sounds when they come in and yes, and they were talking. And all I said to them, nurse, please help. None of them would attend to me. That was when I saw a PCA, a patient care assistant. She worked in the pink uniform. She was the one passing by and I called to her and she was the one who rendered assistance to me.
Ms. Summers says she wants a full review into what happened and an autopsy to be done on her child. But she says the hospital has been giving her the runaround. She made this appeal.
I want Dr. Christopher Tufton and all to implement a strategy where there is no cell phones on the job. So when they come in, they have them shut away. Because those things are very distracting. And it's not good. Because hospital should be a place where they save life, not to take life.
The senior medical officer for the St. Anne's Bay Hospital, Dr. Tanya Hamilton Johnson, offered this response.
I must say a complaint was submitted to the facility by the complainant, and so therefore using the complainant mechanism, an investigation and the reports are being collected as we speak. We are actually at the final process now where we will be, after all of these are gathered, we'll now meet with the complainant, which we are hoping to do by next week, to have our issues addressed.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.